Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to create a list view, add search view, search items within the list view, and even add on click listener, whereby when you click an item, we are going to launch a new activity and display image and the name of the click item. Let's get started. This is a fresh Android Studio project that we are going to work on. So I'm going to start by adding list view. Match parent, lab content. I'm going to give an ID list view. I'm going to find it here, list view, find view by ID, al.id.list view. I'm going to create a model that will hold the list view items. I'm going to call it items model. Within the model, I'm going to have private string name, private string desk, private string. No, I'll need int image. Generate getters and setters, and then construct here. All right, so I'm going to have my array list of images here. I've already downloaded images. I'm going to leave the link in the description where you can go and find images. Paste them on your drawable folder. I have 5 of them. I have watermelon, and finally I have oranges. I'm going to have string array of names. The first one is apple. I have banana, kiwi, watermelon, orange. String descriptions. This is April. This is banana. This is kiwi. This is watermelon. And finally, this is an orange. So I'm going to add them to my list of item models. List item model, list items, new array list. I'm going to loop through. So for I should be less than the length of the images, I plus plus. So I'm going to have items model is equal to new items model, which needs name, description and image. So I'm going to pass name, description, and image. Then I'm going to add it to my array list items. Add items model. I'm going to create a custom adapter class. So public class custom adapter which extends base adapter. I'm going to generate and implement the methods. So I'm going to have my list of item models should be list. And call this and let for distinguish, and then filter. Then I can have private context, generate constructor here. Should be the same. Turn the size, turn the position. Now create your view. Get layout inflator, inflate. Let me create my view here. I'm going to create low items. I'm going to go train. I'm going to use linear layout. I'm going to lap this one within relative layout. So I'm going to have an image view, 50 size, ID. I'm going to give it image view. Testing, let me give it source. And give this one margin. Also going to have text view. ID, item name, start 16. We give it test name. I'm going to have description here. Should be below name. Maybe I can give it a top 7. So I'm going to inflate this layout, that is low items. I'm going to pass null. Then I'm going to return this view. Let me find my image view. My text view name. My text view description. Let me set the data. Set the image. Now I'm setting the name of the image text, and finally description item desk dot set text. All right, let me set my custom adapter to my list view. Custom adapter, new custom adapter. I'm supposed to pass my items and context, which is this, and Listview dot set adapter custom adapter. So let's learn our activity and see. So far we have only created list view, no search view, no item click listener. So build, learning, scanning, storing, launching. Okay, now we are going to add search view. We have our list view here as well. So for me to add a search view, I'm going to create a menu. So I need menu. Within menu, I'm going to have a menu resource file. Call it menu. Create an item here. And give it ID. Let me give it an icon. Let me give it show as action always. Let me give it action view class, search view. Then on my main activity, I'm going to create it. An option, create menu option. And create option menu. So I'm going to get our menu, get menu inflator dot inflate all dot menu dot menu. And I'm going to pass menu here. I'm going to find the item, new item, menu dot find item or dot id dot search view. Then I'm going to have my search view here, menu item dot get action view. I'm supposed to cast it. Then I'm going to listen on set on query text listener. Search view. I'm supposed to return true, and this one should return true. And then on option item selected, if it matches my search view, I'm going to return true. So ID is equal to item dot get item ID. If ID equals all dot id dot search view, return true. Okay, then on my custom adapter, I'm going to implement filterable. I'm going to override a method here. So filter to new filter. I'm going to return filter. So my list will be now the results. dot value and cast it to item. Then I'm going to notify dataset change. Performing filter, then I'm going to have filter results is equal to new filter results, which I'm going to return. Then I'm going to check if constraint equal null or constraint dot length equal 0. I'm going to have my filter results dot count be equal to filter item list dot size and even dot value will be item list. Else I will get the search keyword, which is search string constraint dot to string dot to lowercase. Then I'm going to prepare a list of items that has the search keyword called results data new array list. So I'm going to find item model. I'm going to find item list. If I can get the searched item, if item model dot get name, I'm going to search by name dot contain search string or even description dot get description that contains search string. Then we're going to add result data dot add item model. If this happens, then we say our filter results dot count will be result data dot size and filter results dot value will be our result data. So let's learn and see. Before we learn, I'd like to enable search. Our custom adapter dot get filter dot filter the new text. Let's learn and see. We are expecting a search view, installing, launching. Alright, so let's search kiwi. Nice. Banana. Nice. Apple. Nice. So I'm going to add OnItemClickListener, whereby whenever you search and you tap, you are going to launch a new activity, display the image and the name of the searched item. So for me to do that, I'm going to create a new activity. We call it item view. Then in the item view, I'm going to have, let me use relative left. I'm going to have image view, and let me give it size 18, ID, image view, item, let me center it, and then I'm going to have a text view to show the name. It should be below image view item. I'm going to center it horizontally. I can give it something small like top 10, and even I can increase the size to 18. It's text. Okay. Let me find it here. Image view, text view, So my image view equals find view by ID and.id dot image view item. Then text view equals find view by ID and.id dot text view name. So let me find the past data intent. So I'm expecting item model intent equal to get intent if intent dot get extras not equal to null. Then our item model equal intent dot get serializable extra, and I'm passing it with a name item. I'm going to cast it here, then set the data ImageView dot set image resource item model dot get image, and TextView dot set text ImageView dot get name. I not take item dot get name. Let me pass this data. So I'm going to listen to view dot set on item click listener new view on click. So we're going to start activity new intent. We are moving from main activity to item view activity, and we are going with data, and we have labeled it item, and the data we are going to carry is the possession. So remember this keyword. So I need to implement serializable here. Okay. All right. Now let's learn our project and see. Now we are expecting on click listener, whereby we are going to open a new activity. Installing. Click. App nice one. When we search Kiwi, click Kiwi. When you click watermelon. Thank you guys for watching. If you're not subscribed, remember to subscribe for more tutorials.